Welcome to the 6th grade math boot camp, where we teach students how to conquer 6th grade math. My name is Scott and I'll be leading you through this course. I've been teaching math and creating curriculum for nearly a decade. For me, it's all about my students. I love to see kids succeed at math. A few of my students have left testimonials for you to hear today.
My favorite part about learning with Scott was the feeling of accomplishment that I got whenever I used a method of solving a problem and got the problem right.
This year was so easy because I worked with Scott.
My favorite part was learning how to use the division algorithm.
Why is that?
Well, because it didn't make me laugh.
Students can learn independently or with an adult. What they're going to do is learn the 24 most difficult topics in 6th grade math. Now, typically, this causes classroom grades and test scores to rise dramatically. But more importantly, students get a new sense of confidence in the math classroom. This course is broken into 6 weekly sections. Each week, you're going to have 4 new lessons with vocabulary, practice problems, and homework assignments. Then at the end of the week, you're going to have a video review with 10 practice problems and a quiz. Now, when you're done with the entire course, there is a final exam to check for understanding. I believe this course is perfect for any one of 5 different groups of people. First, we have parents who want to help their children with 6th grade math. Then we have teachers who are looking for an extra supplement to their regular classroom lessons. Now, 5th graders who are advanced in math can also benefit from this course by getting an extra challenge. Of course, this course was designed for 6th graders, so if you're in the 6th grade, this course would be great for you. And finally, if you're in 7th grade having trouble with math, this course can give you that extra boost you need to catch up to your classmates. So, if you fall into any one of those groups, this course is perfect for you. Please sign up today and let's start learning together.